In this lesson, I want to show you how to optimize your pages for SEO. So you go to the tools, you go to page settings, and from here, this is where you can be able to change the name. You can choose the category which you want to put it on. If you don't have a category, you can go to the back end. Let me close this. You can go where it says categories and you can create categories. Now, right now, there are no categories created. The reason why you may want to create categories is as your site grow and you add more content, you want to organize things, a little bit more. So you click on new, you put in whatever category that you want, and you can choose, is this public access or is it registered? So you can make this for this particular category, just specific people if you don't want it for the public. But for now, I'm going to leave it as the public. So you go over to the languages. If you have a multilingual site, you can be able to choose here for the public access. Again, you can choose that. For the SEO, you want to put in your title. You want to put in an image. This is the image that when you share your website, this is what people are going to see. So you want to put in an image. You want to put in an open graph description. Something that's very short but straight to the point. And you have your page CSS if you have anything else that you want to put on there. But this is a really great way for you to get your site, SEO ready. So as people are sharing your site or looking for it, all the information that you put on here, whether it's with the SEO, this is how they're going to be able to find you.